Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to give slots to a plate in SolidEdge 2024. So for that we will click on this create a new, then create a isometric part, then click on OK. So our windows will get pop up here. Okay, now we will turn on our planes by clicking on this eye logo here. Then we will make it isometric. So now friends, we will go for the extrude here. Okay, now we will make a rectangular plate. You can see here, which will be 100 by 100 only. Now we will close the sketch here and give it thickness of 10 mm. Then say OK, right click, finish, cancel. Okay, now we will go for our whole command, and here you can see a slot. Okay, you can see here a slot. Now we will go here. Here you can see options. Okay, so we needed a arc end. You can see this is a arc type, arc end slot. Okay, so we will say OK here. And also if you want to change, we want it for M8, so we will 9 clearance hole, means 9 mm width of that particular slot. Then say OK, and then we will click on this plate front face. Okay, so we will now create a line like this. Then you can see here we will give a dimension of 50 mm. Do not save this message again for the current session. Okay, now I want it in a center, so I will go to connect, then click on this, and then click on our vertical plane. Now I have to make it constant, so again I have to give dimensions from here. I will give 25 from here. Now I will close the sketch. Do you want it through? Then you can say through next. You here you can see through next it is. Then it will get cut up to the next surface. Okay, or face, you can say up to this face it will get cut up. Then now you can see here we have taken. This is how you can create a straight arc. Now we will go to again slot. Now you can see here options. Okay, options, you can see, yes, if you want a arc end. Okay, we have taken a slot like this. Now we will go here, again select this, and we want a arc profile. Okay, so you can go here and select arc, go into the type, then click on arc. Then here you can select a arc like this. Okay, to make it constant, we have to constant like this, give a line here, connect it with our center plane. Here I have connected this center plane. Okay, make it construction line here, this one. Now connect this, sorry, connect this, you can connect this point with our origin here. Now you can see, now we have to do dimension of, you say 35. Now I want to give this center dimension of 15 mm. Okay, Now you can give angular dimension for this 45 here also. Then right click again, you can take the same command 45. Now you can see our sketch is constrained. Now close the sketch. You want to cut it through next, then you can see. This is how you can take arc slot. Now if you want to take a slot for here you go will for options, then you can take a counterbore slot. Okay, so the path offset will be of, say, as we have a slot width of 9, so if you want a path offset of say 5, okay, then enter. And you want a depth of 5 only, or say 5, say okay, then click on this face or surface again, then draw a straight one like this, connect it to the center line. Now make a dimension of 50 mm, give it from the bottom of 25. Now close the sketch. Now you can see, friends, we have created a slot for, like a counterbore slot we have created here. So this is how you use slot command in SolidEdge 2024. So if you found this video simple and easy to learn, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.